What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. Today is pickup day for the Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0. You already know I hit up a couple pair, but it was a little bit tougher this time. All the stores that I usually put in for were not loaded up on any of the FLX stores like Foot Locker, Champs. Foot Action had zero. It had nothing loaded up in my area or within the 100-mile area. So we are still gonna pick up. I got a couple pairs, and then I want to talk about sneakers real quick. Was that crazy or what? You guys, I checked 10 minutes before the sneakers actually, the drop actually went, 10 minutes before 7 o'clock. You guys, they were loaded up as a draw for the Kobe's and also for the Shadows. They were loaded up as a draw. Draw is 10 minutes. You have 10 minutes to put in for them, right? Turns out it wasn't a draw. It was a first come, first serve. Usually it takes like 2 minutes to get in. I ended up copying one of the Shadows in grade school, and most of this vlog is actually going to be grade school pairs. I only copped one adult pair. So I'm here at Plaza Bonita. We're about to pick up my first grade school. You guys, it was crazy. Like usually here I pick up like a pair or two. No, it's just gonna be one pair here, and then we're gonna go to the next spot. But I just want to say sneakers was crazy this morning. I did end up copping a pair. I mean, let's go pick up this grade school pair. We'll check it out. And also, this is like, I don't know what to call it. I call it like a Skid Row, because it's like you got Foot Locker, and then next to Foot Locker you got Kids Foot Locker, then you got Finish Line, and then you got Champs. So I just love going through there. Let's see what kind of goodies we could pick up today, build up our points, and then also pick up the Shadows. So let's go. So they did have the Jordan 13 Flints. If they had a size like above 5, I would have been making some money. They didn't. They only had a 4 and a 4.5, so I passed on that. They did have the Raging Bull 5s, but the thing is they're preschool. Preschool's not going for much. They did have the Jordan 1, I believe it's the triple whites, the mids, and also same thing. They are going for a little bit, but I was like, I'm cool on them. Let's check out Kids Foot Locker and we'll keep it rolling. You guys, they did have the Flints here in grade school, and the money size was size 4. They did have 4.5, but 4.5 wasn't paying out as good as size 4, so I passed on them. And they also had the Jordan 1 Low Lucky Greens. Those weren't going for nothing, so I just left them right there. I kind of was like, when I saw them, I was like, ah! And then I had to check StockX real quick. They weren't going for much, so let's keep it going. Next is gonna be Finish Line. As you guys seen, they had some heat up in Finish Line. Most of the stuff was gonna be either little profit or no profit, but the thing is, you guys could get status points there. That way when you put in for the raffles, it's up to you or not. I left everything there. I didn't pick anything up. Now let's go to Champs. We're gonna pick up my grade school Shadows and see what else they got there. You guys, here they go. They are looking sick. A lot of people are talking about the leather. It kind of looks like the same leather as the Jordan 1 mid, so it's not like that tumble leather that everybody's looking for, but they still look sick. When I look at it, I kind of think of like Raider Nation. It's the Raider colors. I don't know. What do you guys think of it when you guys see it? Anyways, I wanted to tell you guys that we've been stacking up the wifey's account, her FLX account, and she is over 500,000 points, and this is the first raffle that she actually put in for, and she also took a dub. So we're gonna go pick up her dub along with my dubs, and we're gonna put all the dubs together, and we're gonna see how she goes and picks it up and all that good stuff. So let's keep it rolling. All right, so now we're on the way to Fashion Valley. You can see my little guy, he's passed out. He has Nemo. He found Nemo right there. So we're about to find Fashion Valley. We are on the way, you guys, and we're gonna pick up 3 pairs at Fashion Valley. Like I said, my wife, she's at 500,000 FLX points, and this is the first raffle that she was able to put into. That way we could both go and scoop up at the same time. I didn't want her going by herself and scooping up. So this is the first one. She hit 1 out of 5. I hit 4 out of 5, but that's what I want to talk about. Okay, so I actually hit I was waitlisted, right? I was waitlisted. I kept going back, checking, and my waitlist turned into a W. But the problem is, it's all the way in Riverside, and I'm in San Diego. It's an hour-and-a-half drive, and it's a GS pair. So I did confirm it just in case I got another pair, because I was waitlisted for an adult size at Champs, and that one did not turn into a dub. If you guys are wondering how the wait list works, is you're pretty close to getting that W, but the thing is, like, there's people that haven't confirmed yet. So you have to jump on there and confirm within an hour. If you don't, then it goes to the next group of people. If they don't confirm within that time, then it goes to the next group of people, and it keeps going all the way down until until they pass out all the pairs. So I was able, to get that W. This release is crazy, because when I went to go pick up the Jordan 11 Legend Blues, I was like I picked up 8 pairs. That's another thing. This release didn't have toddlers, and it didn't have preschool. So that's why I'm picking up less today. Hopefully next release I'm gonna be able to pick up more. But the cool thing is, I'm about to check out my men's size, and it is size 11, personal size. But I already said, no, I'm not keeping it. I'm gonna go ahead, and I already actually listed it and sold it. So I'm gonna have to go home and package it up and everything. And right now I'm waiting for all the grade schools to pretty much sell out, because I have them all listed right now. So like I said, I'm not gonna pick up that one grade school. It's too far. It is Saturday, and we kind of was gonna try to go and make a day out of it. But I'm like, just for because right now it's looking like it's a size 6. So right now it's looking like a $60 profit around there. So $60 in time and gas and all that, definitely not worth it. So let's go pick up the adult size and then some grade schools. My wife is gonna pick up the grade school. We're so excited that she was able to hit the next release that comes out. Hopefully she's able to hit more. This one, I'm telling you guys, it's like not every store was releasing it for whatever reason. So it's more limited than I thought, but still gonna go pick up. You guys, I did want to say thank you. I really appreciate all my subs I got. I hit that 1,000 mark, and on YouTube it's a very big deal. Once you hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and then the 4,000 watch hours, you could actually monetize your channel. So it is a big deal, and I thank every single one of you guys. I appreciate it. And I hit that 1,000 and I flew right by you guys. I'm getting like 80 subscribers a day, somewhere around there, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. I give you guys all my tips. I wouldn't tell you guys anything that I don't do. So like, I laid all out on the table for you guys. I'm transparent as I can. I've been responding to all the comments. You guys comment so much, and I try to get back to you guys. I do work Monday through Friday, but I will get back to every comment. And again, thank you guys. I really do appreciate it.
I'm Sister Sneak's wife, and I'm just so nervous and excited at the same time, and happy because these are my first shoes that I win in the raffle. They're amazing. They smell so good and I just wish they were my size, but here they are.
So you guys, I had to pick up the 7 Flints in size 14. Those were profitable, so I picked them up right here. And here you guys go right here, the Shadow 2.0s. You guys already know the OGs. They have the gray toe box, and then the front of them is that black color. So these also look clean. I'd say the originals look a little bit cleaner. And the cool thing is that these come with like the gray laces. So you guys prefer the gray laces or the black laces that are already on here? Let me know in the comment box below. I appreciate you guys joining me today. I have everything sold already. They sold out pretty quick. I want to say thank you guys again for the 1,000 subscriber mark. I appreciate it. I thank you guys, and I'll check you guys out in the next video.